I'm Comedian Teri Hearte. My life is the joke, and I'm door dashing. What's up, y'all? So I decided that I would attempt to vlog a day in the life, I guess, kind of a door dasher. Tons of videos like this already on YouTube, but I know you guys never seen me do DoorDash before. So I've only been doing it for about a month. I started while I was out over 4th of July break, and I like it. The money's there, so I'm going to give you some things that I've learned so far, especially if you're in the Birmingham area and you want to start to DoorDash, and some safety tips for, you know, just girls in general that do DoorDash. Little things to help you get through your dash, get through the day. So yeah, let's do this together, guys. So I'm making my first pickup, and I am at Wingstop. This order was for $6.25, and it's going about 3 miles away, so it shouldn't take me long to make the delivery. The wait time seems like it might be high, so we'll see. The food isn't up here, so I'm having to wait. I just walked in. At Wingstop, you normally would sign in. You sign like a little paper. It's the only place that I go to that you have to sign in. But yeah, honestly, that took too long for me. But there go the food. And oops, sorry. Trying to put y'all back up there. So I got the food, and I'm familiar with where I'm going, so I'm not gonna use the GPS. I'm just gonna go and drop this person off their food, honey. And I would really appreciate a tip, because here's the thing. If I got a long wait time for your order, do you know that means it's taking longer for me to get to my next order? That means it's taking longer for me to make money. And then the people in there, you got an attitude, she in there acting like she tired or sick or something. Baby, just go home. Just go home. If you don't want to do your job, just go home. I don't understand. I'm sorry I turned up real quick, but that be irritating me. Like, y'all could just go home. The way the world is right now, nobody want to work no way. So just go home. Go home. You try to get fired so you can collect unemployment, and then you won't be worrying me, because that's all you doing. Just go home. Ugh. Leaving from McDonald's. I had to go inside. The inside is technically closed, but if you're doing DoorDash, they'll unlock the door for you. So the drive-thru is like wrapped around the building, but they let me go in to get the order. That one was pretty quick. Now I'm headed to drop this one off, and I really normally wouldn't take it because I don't like to take McDonald's orders for one, and they're usually really low, which this one was. But I was really close, and it's not going far, and I'm trying to keep my money going, especially since that last order took me a little bit longer. So you can't be too picky when you're trying to make some money. So this one was for $4.25. Let's go drop it off. Look where we're going next. Chick-fil-A. So this order is for $5.50, and I'm taking it 7 minutes away. Hopefully the wait time isn't long, and I would hope that I get a nice little tip on it. Even if it just makes it like for $7 or $6.25. So let's go in and get this one and keep it moving. Alright, so Mackenzie's Chick-fil-A order was ready as soon as I got there. It was already on the shelf, so that made it very easy for me to just get it, grab it, go, get back in the car, and head on our way. It's been about an hour, and I'm at $11.50. And I feel like it would have been a little further along if Wingstop hadn't taken up so much of my time. And at the last place I dropped off at, I got a little lost, so I actually had to call the lady. And find out how to get to her apartment. But we're moving, we're rolling, we're making some money, and I'm excited that you guys are with me to do it. Krispy Kreme for somebody on their lunch break. People love getting stuff on their lunch break. So let's go take this person their lunch up here in Krispy Kreme. Alright, so it's 1:09 and we're at $22.25. It looks like it's getting kind of cloudy. I don't know if it's gonna rain or what, but we are doing good, guys. Doing good, guys. I just had a situation. Well, I didn't have a situation in there, but the person whose name was on the order is not who the order was for. Somebody got it for somebody. Yeah, I had to call them like, yeah, I'm not just gonna hand the food over. Like, no. So he told me who to give it to. So don't just let nobody be like, oh, I'll give it to the person. Don't. If you're gonna start DoorDash, you need to, them names need to match, or you need to contact the person and let them tell you who to give it to. Do not just hand over nobody food, because then you like you're not doing your job. And they will say something about you, and then you look bad. You don't want to be looking bad in these streets. If I don't get no order in the next few minutes, I'm going to take me a little lunch break. So we can get this. We can head out. It was ready when we got there. Yes. So we're going to make them little $5.25 real quick. We're going to send Zach a text message when we get in the car and let him know we got the food, and we'll be there in a few minutes. Alright, y'all, I am going to Jim and Nick's barbecue right across the street from where I'm at for $6.25. It's going 3 miles away. We can get with that. I'm hot. I'm a little sweaty out here now because Shawty ain't got no air in this Jeep no more. Because the compressor gone. Whole nother story for a whole nother day. We're not talking about that right now. But it's literally right there across the street. We're going to knock this one out, and we will be at, I think, $33 or $34, and it's probably 1:30 now. I didn't look at the clock. Yeah, I'm at Super Chicks. I'm gonna take me a lunch break, a long one. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna take this food. I'm gonna go home and chill for a little while because it's hot out here. We are up to $33.75. We're doing good. That gives us a total of $178 for the week, which we only had to get to $250 by Saturday. So yeah, we are doing great. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna give me some food and go home. I'm back. I just took me a little power nap after I ate. Still a little sleepy, but I know the mission. Hustlers gotta hustle. So I'm walking some trash to the dumpster really quick, and then we're gonna get back to it. This shift starts at 4:30, so it's a few minutes till 4:30, and we're going to try to either stop at 8 o'clock, or we need to make $70 more. I'll probably talk to you about why I wanted to do that later. Whew. It feels a little good out here now too. It's not so hot. I think it's gonna rain, and hopefully it don't do that until I'm done for the day. Ooh. I hate going to the dumpster. Hopefully it don't rain until I'm done. But look, y'all see them dark clouds up there? So we gotta get, that's another reason we just gotta get to it. That little couple hour break really did it for me. That made me feel refreshed, revitalized. So I'm confident that we're gonna go out here and make more money. Let's go. So I'm in the Walmart parking lot at the pickup spot. I feel like I've been here for 45 minutes, but I think I've been here for like 10. Waiting on these two people. It's a double order for Walmart groceries, and so I'm just waiting for them to come out and get loaded up so we can go drop them off. I'm really surprised I took them. One was for like $5 and it wasn't going far, and then they asked to add another one on there for $2, also not going far. So I'm like, okay, whatever. But he took them up. Here you go. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You want to put one in the front and one in the back?
Yes, please. Okay. Does it show you the last name?
Yeah. I'm going to put a ticket on the one in the front and then the one in the back.
Okay. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Like, y'all know y'all got this going on. Y'all know y'all having problems through here or whatever they got going. Like, why do you got these cones this far out? Like, what y'all doing? I guess he directing traffic, Lord. He just out here. He ain't holding the doggone sign. Thank you, Lord. Look at this nonsense. Like, what y'all did? Spray paint on one side of the road? So I paused my order so that I can get gas. And it's starting to get dark. So I've got my taser / flashlight in the car with me. I got my fanny pack on. We are at $33.30. No, $30.30 so far for this dash. So that means so far today we made $63 from what we did earlier and what we did since we came back out. So I'm gonna get some gas and I'm gonna push myself to go to 8 o'clock. Hopefully we can make another $40. Hopefully. Then we'll be at $2.50. I'm not using these. Y'all, fun fact, these $50 bills, I've had these same exact $50 bills that I'm holding since December of 2019. So needless to say, I'm not about to use them. But I am going to use some random $5 bills I got. Including the $5 bill that I got as a tip today. That came in handy. So we gotta make that stretch. Gotta make that stretch. So I'm at the Shell station. I'm gonna put $20 in the tank and we're gonna keep rolling. Gotta sanitize those hands, mama. Yeah, I just threw some on. I don't know what I got on. I just threw anything on. Come out here and do this. When I went to Full Moon for the order that I just did, I actually did a couple orders since the last time I talked to y'all. Cause I don't want it to be too repetitive as if it already wasn't. But the lady asked me that I want something to drink and I just wanted some cold water, so got something to keep me refreshed. And I took a potty break when I went to Moe's. So we should be good to go. I'm actually getting $25. I think I told y'all I was gonna get 20, but I got $25 worth of gas. We are done door dashing for the day. I just got out of the shower. I actually got done right around like 8:45 p.m. and that was kind of late for me, honestly. But the last order that I took was I took it for $14, but I ended up making $17.75, and it took me like 17 minutes away. So I was done. I was like, no more. That was the longest we had gone today, the furthest distance we've gone, and that was also the biggest payout we had. So, drum roll, we made $100.90 today. So we met our goal. I'm proud of us, guys. I didn't show y'all those last few orders because they got dark, and you know, in the car you really can see me for real. And I needed to pay attention because, like I said, it was dark. So, and I was on like a long windy road. Irrelevant information, but I just wanted to come on and close out the vlog, let you know that we met our goal today, and I'm gonna keep rolling for the weekend, keep it moving, keep making some money. I don't think I'll vlog the other days this weekend about DoorDash specifically. I might do some other vlogging, but I just wanted you to see like a normal day of me pretty much just in the car dropping off orders and making money. If you like my DoorDash video, comment that down below. Let me know. Leave me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of content, I would like to know that, because, you know, I'll keep making it. Let's see. Was there anything else I wanted to tell you guys? Oh, so I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I would talk to you just real brief about like some tips and tricks and things that I learned. So it is very important to learn the area that you're dashing in. That was key for me. It takes trial and error. Honestly, trial and error. You have to do it to know that you're not going to do it anymore. Places that you're not going to deliver to, places that you're not going to pick up from, areas that you don't want to go to, places that are too far for you. And you also learn what your like median is, like how much you will take for X amount of miles traveled. For me, my average, I want to say, is like 7 and 7. That's what I say. So $7 for 7 miles or less. 7 miles or less, $7 or more. When it start, the two start twisting and turning, I be like, I don't know. I be having to make it make sense. Also, learning which direction you will and won't go. So for me, there is a direction that I prefer not to go because it takes me out of my delivery zone, which means I won't get orders until I get back to this side of town. So that's money wasted, time wasted, and I don't got time for that. So I like to go in a specific direction because it's towards food, it keeps me in my delivery zone, and it's not far from my house. At no point do I try to be more than about 20 minutes away from my own house. Today, like I said, the furthest we were from our house was about 20 minutes. So, and that's still kind of far, low-key. But that was it, I think. Get with me in the comments, just in case I think of anything else. Yeah, don't forget, thumbs up the video, like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that good stuff. And till next time.